Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 15 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the last video, we changed it a bit for the roof. Now we're gonna continue on this because I want to change how it looks. So I'm gonna remove this floor right here, that where we put our balcony, because I want to close it off. So we could go to our south elevation and click on component, model in place, and then generic model. And then here we're gonna create an extrusion, pick a plane, and we're gonna select this wall right here. And after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a rectangular, make it 0, and then here is the extrusion will change, but we're just going to do this for now. So here we have at least 200 from that wall, and then we're going to clean it up afterwards. And then 200 again here, and then 200 from here. And then now we could trim and extend. And then clean this up. And we could pick this line and then trim it afterwards. Delete this. Let's trim this again. There we go. And then same thing goes here. Trim and extend, and then delete this part right here. And then now in terms of our material, I'm gonna use clad white again, and we're gonna do that on 3 of the rooms that has balcony. So here I'm gonna select that and then duplicate selected material, and then click apply, OK. And then let's click finish. Go to 3D, and then I'm going to align it from the face here. There we go. I'm also going to extend this so that we have enough space. So in terms of the roof, we could definitely extend that a bit. Align it again to this face, and then we're going to edit this part. So go to south, edit, profile, and we want it to be only up to here. So we could just manually align it until here, and then click finish. And then we have that Scandinavian look, similar to that. It looks good though. And then of course we're going to fix all of this. We're going to clean those up without the gap, and we can now edit path, delete this and delete this. We could go back to level 2 and then close it off completely all the way there. And that's how it looks. I'm thinking of doing it here all the way down and then just closing it off all the way right here. So we could do that as well on this part. The only issue is it doesn't, because it has a different levels or extrusion, so we will need to think of extruding one and then the other one as well. And we have to do this onto the other at the back as well. So we need to go to our north elevation and do the same thing. So from our south, this is, I'm going to edit in place and then go to north, and we just need to do the same thing. So extrusion, pick a plane, select this wall, and then it's already selected for the material, and we just need to put everything and make sure it's 200. Right there, and we need to trim and extend all throughout. And then we could just use this, it's very small anyway, so we could just trim and extend like that, and even here, and delete this, trim and extend. And why not, let me double check. Here we have an issue, show, and here we have maybe an issue. It's not lines cannot intersect each other, so there's an issue here. Maybe continue. Oh, there we go. And then click finish. I want to see how this one looks. Yeah, we have to do it separately because it's on a different plane. So I'm gonna align this one similar to what we did, and we're going to edit the way this one looks. So that's done there. We need to do the other part on this side. Let's create again extrusion, pick a plane, and then select this wall right here. And obviously we're going to clean this up. There we go. I think this is 200, so that's good. Let's check this one, needs to be 200, and then this one is 200 already. Trim and extend. Clean this. Delete this, trim, clean this one, delete this, and then click finish, go to 3D, align it, of course we need to move it more, so let's do finish, go to level 3, and this is the one that we need to extend a bit. Align it. There we go. And of course we need to edit that. Let's do delete this and just move this one all the way to the edge. There we go, that looks good. And then edit this path as well. Delete this one, and then move it a little bit back. Actually, let's edit this one a bit and then just connect it to the wall. And then we need to edit the way this one looks as well. So edit profile and just move it all the way to the wall, so it will give you that line there. And now we have the one at the back and the one at front. Like I said, I want to add one and then another one right here to give it an overhang and to close this off, this part right here. So I'm going to edit this one, this part right here. Let's go to level 2, and here we need to create this groove right here so that it covers everything. And then we just need to trim and extend right here, and then extend this one as well. Let's see how it looks. So that one looks good. I think it's covered there. Let's see others. I think others is good already, and we need to do this one, this part right here. Edit. Go on to this side. We need to extend this. And then here, not sure where this one looks or it will go, but let's assess this first. I'm gonna do a trial, and then let's see if everything is connecting. If not, we could always edit. AL. Let me see if I could touch this part right here, or we could just manually move it right there and then click finish. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to modify and then put clad white, and then paint this one right here and also right here. There we go. So that looks good. We don't have any more issue with the gap, and you'll also here. And then let's finish this off by adding those covers right there so that we have the same look as this one. So let's go to our south elevation. I'm gonna select this, edit in place, click extrusion, pick a plane, and then we're gonna use this wall first. And let's do 200 here and then 200 here. Trim and extend. And then here, trim and extend right here. Click finish, go to 3D, align it first. So that looks good right there. And we need to, I was thinking if I could just align it a little bit right here, but I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough right like that. And then I just want another one on this side. So let's go to our south elevation again, and then click create, pick plane, and then we're gonna select this plane right here, this wall now. And we just need to go all the way right here and make sure this is 200, and we have a nice slant there so that everything is connecting. So align it from here, and we got that extension already, and we can click finish. And then before we finish up, I want to double check everything. Oh, I think this one is too high, so I'm going to just edit this. I'm gonna edit, I think this one should be 150, and then this one 150 as well. Now it's leveled. I was thinking, how come it's so high? This one, everything is looking good. I want to add the same plant box right here because I don't want it to look plain like that. So I'm going to edit in place and then create an extrusion. So this is earth, copy, select that, level 1, and then I'm gonna create an extrusion, 0 depth, earth, and do the same thing, only here. That's good enough. 600, and then click finish. Extrusion is too thin, so that's why. Start 200. So actually it needs to be here, 0 to start. So 450 as well. I'm just going to go all the way down. Okay, so that's why, because this one is right there. I forgot it should be ground floor like this. So our level should be, or plane should be on the ground floor. So that's why I got confused on that. And then 450. and now it's the same thing. And then I'm going to create the same slate, go to ground floor. This is too much, too big, so I'm just going to, I want to know the thickness of this one, so 50 only. So I'm going to close that off, and then I'm going to create the same thing. Now it's slate, and we're going to do 50, and then right here as well. Trim and extend. And then just delete those small parts right there. Make sure this is 50 only, and then 50 here, and then click finish, align it the same height. There we go. And then on level 1, so let's click finish on that, and here I'm just going to move this one a little bit, and then go to level 1 and just add a curtain wall to mimic the same thing as what we have right here. Cut geometry, go to 3D, and let's go to south so that we can see much better. And we could just align. There we go. And I'm just going to add a mullion. All grid. There we go. You can change the mullion if you want to. Click on tab. Let's filter this. I just need the mullion. Maybe I'm going to change it to a thicker one. Still looks small, but I'm good with this. At least we have something like that. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.